Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. Bold Reports provides a tool for converting Word documents into RDL files. With this converter tool, you can seamlessly transform Word documents into RDL files, enabling dynamic data integration, customization, and interactivity. This process enhances reporting capabilities. In this video, I will show you how to convert a Word document to an RDL file in the Bold Reports Designer. Let's get started. First, I'll open the Word to RDL Converter tool on the Bold Reports Accounts page. I upload the Word document, which will add it to the Word to RDL Converter tool. Next, I need to add the data file for populating the converted RDL file. For that, I select the Enable Data Source option and upload the CSV file to be used as the dataset in the report. Enabling the data source is optional and thus not necessary for all templates. However, it is only necessary for the Word template that requires the dataset to be configured in the report. Click the Migrate and Download button to start the conversion. When the report is downloaded, I name it Transcript Report and open it in the Bold Reports Designer. Now the report is displayed on the Designer surface. Next, I need to align the text boxes in the report to ensure the report items are well organized and placed uniformly on the design surface. I align and format the report items. Finally, I format the table report items. I select the table cell and insert a text box report item to add the missing header text. I assign the value to the header row to add the additional graduation requirement value and format it. Finally, I add text boxes in the cells, since in Word document we have an option called merging the cells into a single cell, which is not supported in RDL. Now everything is ready to preview the report. Switch to Preview on the top panel. The report will be displayed here. In this video, I have shown you how to convert Word documents to RDL files in the Bold Reports Designer. The link to the documentation used in this tutorial is in the description below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.